Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and yay, we are back in our Skinny Mini. I totally just didn't even use it in the month of July, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay that we skip a month because I totally skipped that whole month. So I'll probably just rip it out so that it's not even in there. But anyway, so I had a weird kind of idea for this week, and I might decorate this. I might not. Let's see. I decorated June's. No, that one was like really ugly. I just kind of, I don't know. I've been decorating them, and I did film this one, but I didn't film that one. And that's kind of cute. Just to give you an idea of how to do that page, in case if you were thinking of, doing this page. And I might do it. I might not. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Okay, but today what we're doing is we are going to use this washi. We're going to use some day stickers from this book, which is from Paper House. There is a link in the video description. They've got lots of really cute planner stuff, sticker books. Their prices are really good, and they ship anything over 25 ships free. So that's pretty good. Let's see. I'm pretty hard on my books. I don't know. My books are always falling apart. So I was thinking this kind of matched. And since I'm using my dash line boxes and this has these little dashes, I'm not sure if I'm going to like it once it's on there, but that was my thought. I can always change my mind. So what I thought to do was kind of weird, but I'm just going to go with it. So first thing is we are going to decorate the spine with this washi that's got like these little kind of like little lines in it, kind of going everywhere, right? And then I'm going to do the other side with the same washi. Whoop, making sure it doesn't tear on me. You know what? First, before I do that, let me white this out, because if not, it might cover some of this or it might be harder. So it's easier just to do like this. Okay, and then I'll white the other one out in a second. Let's do like this. And let's go down this way. Okay, and this one, this is Skinny Mini. A lot of people use this on the go for like appointments and things. I use this one for gratitude. Keep it on my nightstand, my husband and I. Every night we'll just say, like either something good that happened that day that we're grateful for, or something abstract that we're grateful for. I swear Mia waits for me to start a video to start crying. I think I'm going to cover this too, because you'll see in a minute. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the boxes. And here I printed both of these out on the same printer, but I want you to see the difference. I picked high quality on my printer, like when you can pick either standard, high quality, or economy, I think is the other one. Anyway, I picked high quality on this one. I forgot to pick it on this one, and you can see it. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of washed out. So they're a little bit different in color, but I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so we're going to do sort of a crazy little thing here of boxes going all over the place like this. Oh my gosh, Mia. And I don't know if this is the best way to do this. You'll see what I mean in a second, but we're just doing like this. And then we've got one over here. That one's going that way, so this one should go this way. And I really hope this works. And I'll tell you, so I'm going to use this washi in a second. And I thought about laying it down first, but this paper, actually that's another difference. This paper is the online labels removable sticker paper, and I love it, but I find it's a little see-through. This one, I'm not sure if it's as see-through. Yeah, it is. Oh, I don't need to. Anyway, okay. Let's just put one more down here. Okay, so now what I wanted to do was, I guess I could put this here like for January. Actually, this is August, right? I don't like it. It doesn't look right. Okay, so I'll worry about that in a second. So just like these lines in the washi, can you see that? It's like all over the place. So I thought it would be cool if this was going all over the place. So if it's going like this. Okay, hold on. Gotta let the cat in. Okay, she's in now. All right, so I'm going to do like this. And the reason do you see that? I didn't do it good enough. That's annoying. Let me try it again. And that's Mia getting into some bag that I've got over there. Oh, let's pull some of this stuff off. All right, let's try this again. Let's go like this. Actually, what I thought of was like one holding them all. But then I thought, well, we could go, let's do the one holding them all first, and then we'll decide if we need more. I know we'll need more, but like if we like it like this or not. Okay. So this one goes here. And then I'm going to use this, which I typically don't like doing, but there was no other real way to do this. I'm going to go here. So I'm going to do like this. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and then I'm going to pause it and do the rest, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay, so that little piece is coming off just like that. I'm going to save them on the side because I might use them. So you see what I'm doing? So I'm just cutting the piece that's on top, like that. I think I just did it. And then like that. And then I'm going to take this piece off carefully. Don't want to peel too much of the color off. Make sure that I cut it right. Did I? I did. Okay. All right, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to do the same thing on these and this one, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so there's that. Then remember we had these over here, which I'm not sure now because they're clear if I'm going to like them or not. So, and they seem kind of big too, right? Let's see. I don't think, I mean, I guess maybe I could cut it right there because I kind of don't like, that's a lot of space. I think I'm going to cut it, but then it's going to be coming out of here. What do I want to do? I want to reevaluate. Hold on one second. Let me figure out if this is the ones I want to use or if I want to use a different one. I'll be right back. Okay, those other ones were just, I mean, I like them, but I don't think they're going to work in this one, so I think I'm just going to go with these. Let's try these and see what we think. Oh, that's cute. I think that works. Monday. And then we got to think, do we want to add more of the little lines? Monday, Tuesday, or are we good just like that? And I'm considering, like, once this year's done, oh, this is too big. Ooh. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just not going to worry about it. It's going there anyway. Thursday's huge, too. Oh, my gosh. Okay, Thursday fits, though. Okay, what was I saying? Oh, then I'm thinking for next year, instead of a skinny for gratitude, or a skinny mini, I should say, I think I'm going to try the skinny classic. Just because you got more room. I mean, this is really cute. I like the skinny mini because it's small, but I don't know, it's a little challenging sometimes to use stickers and stuff in it. Okay, so I like that. Now, do we want something here? I guess I could get a cute quote. Everything will be okay. I don't like that it's got gold in it, so I'll find a cute quote in a little bit. So what do we want to do as far as, oh, you know what? I didn't put numbers, huh? Urgh. So that Monday is, let's see, the Monday is the 29th. Let's see what we got in here. These are cute. And they're like really light, you know? They're not like in your face. So I think I'm just going to put these in the bottom corner. 29. Let me do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added the dates. And then I was trying to find something to put in the little box. And I've got this one. It's got a few little quotes and things. Let's see. Peace out. That's funny. Sunday Fun Day. I like the mixtape. Doesn't really go with it, but how about this one? It says make life fun. Let's see if that fits in there. Doesn't fit. Okay. Let's do this one. It's just love. I'm fine with that. It matches and it fills up the space just fine. So that's cute. Okay. Now, this is the question. Do we want to add more of these? I kind of feel like we do because it just seems a little boring to me. And I am not really cool. You know what? Let's make it easy though. I'm not super cool with like boring. So let's do like this. And I'm going to cut it here. And then, oh, this one's going to be kind of weird to cut. I'll have to trim it. Okay. And then let's do like this. Lift it up. Actually, I can just go like this. Okay. I like that better. I do. So I wonder if I could use some of these pieces. Well, probably not. I hate that I have to keep cutting it, you know, further, but it's like I want it to look like it's going across underneath. You know what I mean? So what if I do, no, there's no way for me to do it. I just got to keep doing this. So I don't know. Do you guys want to watch me do this or should I pause it? I'm thinking I should pause it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go across all of the boxes with a few more of these washi strips like this. Oh. Come on, got bent. And like this. Oh my God, Nellie, what are you doing? Ugh. Fixed. I'm gonna cut it. Making it complicated for myself. No, that one. Okay. I like that. I think I'm gonna continue that. And I'm still thinking of like, I don't know why I think we need the June here, like this. See how you can see the blue behind it? Okay, I'm going to continue to add the washi and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added a few more lines and then I also added this other box up here because I want to put, oh, this is from Happy Planner. I didn't even know they had this. It's called Journaling Monthly Essentials and it's got some dates, you know, days of the week and months of the year. So anyway, I am going to use this one. And I want to put July on this side, since it's kind of like a, you know, like a double week. I'm going to put July right there, and then August over here. That way they kind of balance each other out, but I am going to try and cut off some of this white. See if it helps me not cut that off a little bit. Let's do like that. And that way they look pretty balanced. Like that, and like that. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to punch it, and my thing is still stuck. I don't know if you saw that in my last video. I need to get in there and unstuck it. Last time I had to have my husband do it. I don't remember what he did, but he was able to get it unstuck. What am I doing? This is like this. Okay. So I think it's going to look really good in the book with the black rings, since we've got this whole black and aqua going on. Let's see. Where did I put my book? Here it is. Okay. August. This thing is getting thick. I might have to take some months out. Okay, there we go. Cute, different. Ooh, that was the thing. It just opened itself. Okay, so there you go. Just a neat idea, a little bit different. Super easy. Probably would have been easier had I laid out all of the washi first, but you don't need to do that the way I did it. You can just lay it out first, especially if you have really good sticker paper that isn't as see-through as mine. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join me in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.